Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Tiu Keng Leng and we'll do the Tseung Kwan O Line extension today, which is to LOHAS Park. So, Tiu Keng Leng to LOHAS Park. Here we go.
The train to LOHAS Park is arriving. Please let passengers.
Now it should be an empty K-Train because for LOHAS Park it ends service in Tiu Keng Leng, so after crossing the turnback sliding it comes back. So yep, it's an empty K-Train. We'll get in there.
本班列車將以康城為終點站。This train will stop service at LOHAS Park. 本班列車將以康城為終點站。This train will stop service at LOHAS Park.
We'll wait for the train to leave.
This train will stop service at LOHAS Park. Passengers for Han Hao or Ho Lam should change to the next train at Tseung Kwan O.
So here's Tseung Kwan O. Tseung Kwan O. We'll skip forward. Now for the tracks going to Hang Hao and Po Lam and LOHAS Park, it splits up after Tseung Kwan O, and the tracks going to the left after Tseung Kwan O at a split spot going to the left is for Hang Hao and Po Lam, and if you go to the right it's for LOHAS Park. Now this Tseung Kwan O Line extension, I actually forgot the date on about. I actually don't really remember the date that it is opened. That it was opened. Before, when it was when the Tseung Kwan O Line was opened back in 2002 or 2003, I forgot again. It only went to Polam, and then at around 2006, 2007 or something like that, I forgot the dates. You can check the description down below for the dates. And I think it is around that time where it extends to LOHAS Park.
LOHAS Park. This train now stops service. Thank you for traveling on the MTR.
And this little section right here is the only section which is outside for the Tseung Kwan O Line. And it always opens on the left, so here we go. And here's LOHAS Park where we get off. And here we are at LOHAS Park. We're not gonna wait for the train to leave too long, so it takes like 8 minutes or 4 minutes, but no, we're not gonna wait for it. So remember to like and subscribe down below, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Click on the card up top for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!